here we are at the last step, okay? So let's remember what our steps were. 1, click the meter. 2, read the how and the why. 3, make the changes in Microsoft Word and save. And 4, load the new file into Ally. Notice we say to load the new file into Ally, not going back into Blackboard and re-uploading or changing the file. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how Ally. Did it? Hang on. Guess I closed it. Okay. I'll show you how Ally, we can load it directly into this part right here. That's where we're going to change the document. Okay. So we can click browse and navigate to our document, or if we have the document in a folder ready, we can drag and drop. Okay. So that's how I would drag and drop, but I'll also do it browsing in case anyone prefers that method. So I'm uploading my new document, my fixed document, and look at my score, 100%. Woohoo! And that's it. So any questions about what we've done so far? Okay, I just want to remind you, all you have to do is click the meter and you have the how and the why. Okay, so read the why. Find out why these things are issues. Okay, that gives you some insight into what it is that we're doing. And read those step-by-step instructions in Ally for making the changes. Make the changes in Word and then load the new corrected version into Ally.